So today I'm going to show you some basics of generator. This is the tank. This is the tank of the generator, and here we have the suction pipe and the return pipe. The suction pipe, no, the return is this and the suction is this. The suction pipe sucks fuel from the tank. It brings it to this. This is a very essential generator part. It is called a hand pump. Is where you pump the fuel from this to the filter before the injector pump has power to pull for itself. So you pump here. This pump fills these filters, the two of them. Then from here you have this pipe to brings fuel to the injector pump. After the injector pump, when this is working or when you crank your engine, make sure you hear a clicking sound here, because this is the actuator. This actuator is the one which opens or closes fuel. It opens and closes the fuel system. So when you hear a clinking sound here, it shows that this is working. And when the clicking happens and this injector pump is working, there should be fuel being injected from these pipes. So to make sure, to confirm if your injector pump is working, you open this and you'll see the fuel being injected up. Then you close, you crank your engine, it starts. So in case you have a hard start, most of the time it is an airlock. An airlock is usually caused by having air in the system. So to remove that, you pump here severally so that this one can be filled. And if the problem persists, open these filters, open the two of them, fill them with fuel, then return them. Then after opening, you can pump your pump for some time, then crank your engine. If the problem persists, and which is very rare, now you open these pipes, then watch. The fuel should be injected from that point. When the fuel is injected, close these pipes and crank your engine. The problem should be solved. That's how you solve an airlock from an engine. It is that simple.